What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Greg. For this week's video we turned the clock back to last summer, I believe it was August, when I went to the Berlin Klassik car show at Grand Bend Motorplex. Lots to see there, everything from car wash, show and shine, judging. They had drift track, they had teeter-totter and limbo, lots of activities like that. So as I was there, I was just taking a kind of a collection of photos of the cars that I found interesting, the cool stuff, the old stuff. So we've just kind of put together a video for this week that kind of shows each of those photos that I took, and definitely going to be going back to that show as many times in the future as we can, and we recommend that anybody who's interested in the Euro car show kind of stuff do so as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the images that I took from the Berlin Klassik Show 2022, and hopefully we'll be able to bring more show type experiences to you guys in the future. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment below if you have a question or something to add, or there's something you'd like to see in the future. Like I mentioned before, hopefully we're going to be able to attend many more other types of shows as we get more cars ready to go that are show worthy. Hit that bell icon so you get notified when we drop a new video, and stay tuned for another video coming up hopefully next week. Catch you guys later.